up, you guys? My name is Angela and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today you can probably tell that I am in a new filming location. I am currently back home from college and my lighting in my room like seriously sucks, and I'm really trying to get some good, better lighting and quality and content for you guys. So I have decided to come outside. I'm sorry if you hear people mowing. My neighbor decided it's a convenient time to start weed eating, and my other neighbor decided that it's a great time to mow. So I am going to try and get through this as quickly as possible without any of that interrupting. So today I have for you guys a Boxycharm unboxing, and if you don't know what Boxycharm is a $21 per month monthly subscription that sends you 4 to 5 full-sized beauty products. So definitely not sample-sized, full-sized beauty products, and it is an amazing subscription to be a part of. So without further ado, let's just get right on into the video. So the theme of this month's box is Make Waves, and for those who are wondering, I got variation 1, and I will list the weight and dimensions of the box down below. So the first item that I'm going to pull out of the box is this Glamglow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. It retails for $28, and the card says that it is a daily conditioning gel cleanser that effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. It contains oat amino acids with a vegan formula, apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract to remove and clean deep impurities. It is soap, fragrance, and SLS, SLES free. So here is what that product looks like. It contains 5 ounces or 150 milliliters of product. The next product that I'm gonna pull out of the box is the Ciate London Eye Luster Crème Shadow. It says that this is a metallic glittering liquid eyeshadow that can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. This MSRP's for $22, and I got the shade Cupid. So here is what that shade looks like out of the tube, and I'll just go ahead and quickly swatch it on the back of my hand for you guys. So it has a very flat doe foot applicator, and as you can see, it is very gorgeous and metallic and reflective in this gorgeous sunlight that I'm out in. Next thing that I've pulled out of the box is this Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Rosebud. For those of you who don't know, Dose of Colors has some of the best liquid lipsticks on the market. They are so incredibly comfortable to wear, and they're absolutely gorgeous shades. So this lipstick retails for $18. So here is what that shade looks like out of the bottle. It is just a gorgeous frosted bottle with a white cap, and I will go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Here is what Rosebud looks like. It is a very pinkish purple mauve color, absolutely beautiful and perfect for the summertime. This is the next item, and it is a Bodyography Emerald Eye Pencil, and this is a vegan, cruelty-free lip pencil that is antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. I am very confused. It says eyeliner pencil on here, but unlike the description, it says lip pencil. So verdict is unclear, but it retails for $14, and I will go ahead and swatch this beautiful emerald shade on the back of my hand for you guys. So here is what that emerald shade looks like. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is a crayon pencil. These are not my most favorite types of pencils, just for the fact that they can be a little bit harsher on your eyes or your lips. They tug, they can cause more wrinkles than a normal, or than a, I don't know what the packaging is on the other one, but the packaging with the other eyeliner or lip liner typically adds a smoother application, and it just glides on easier. The final item that I see in the box is from Alamar Cosmetics, and I am so extremely excited to have Alamar Cosmetics back in this box. They are an absolutely amazing brand. And this is the Colorete Blush Trio, and I did get the shades Fair to Light, and the 3 that will be in here are Castaway, Periso, and Scorcher. Quick info about this blush trio. It is buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula that delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. So here are what these blushes look like. There is a little protective film that I'm just gonna go ahead and take off. But it comes with a gorgeous, nice, big mirror and these 3 shades. This is more coppery, this leans a little more peach, and then this is more of a rose shade. But we have Castaway, Paraiso, and Scorcher. And as you can see, they all kind of have a little sheen. Paraiso seems a little bit more matte than these two, but they do have a bit of a golden shimmer to them. This Alamar Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio retails for $22. Alright you guys, so that is everything that I received in my Boxycharm for the month of May 2019. I have to say this is like a really awesome box. It's right up my alley. The products are all very high-end. My least favorite product would probably have to be the eyeliner pencil. I feel like that's just kind of a filler item when they don't know what to put in a box, but minus that, I love everything in the box. Yeah, so let me know down in the comment section below what you guys got in this month's Boxycharm and what you guys think of this month's products. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell if you want to be notified of the next time that I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.